Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Asus K55A from either 4 or 8 gigabytes, or whatever it has that, to 16 gigabytes. This is just your just a 16 gigabyte kit from Corsair, 1600 megahertz. So first step is to remove the battery, drain any residual power by pressing the power button a couple times. Now I need to remove 2 screws. Very, very easy. Get those 2 screws out, slide this that way out, and then remove. If you had a top DIMM, you'd want to do that one first, but this has a single 4 gig module. And install the bottom first by an angle, push it all the way in and down, lock it in place. Same with this one, lock it in place. Now, as far as the hard drive goes, if you want to upgrade that to a solid state drive, such as something like one of these, you can either use a 7mm or 9.5mm solid state. You would need to back up your data somehow and either image it off or obtain a operating system disk to reinstall. But yeah, easily upgradable by removing 2 screws right here and sliding it this way, then take it out of the tray, put your new drive in. So that's it. Just slide this back, won't even worry about putting the screws in for now. Put the battery in to show you. And let's power it back up. It should reflect the F2 BIOS. Okay. I'll show you here. It should have 16384. So that's all there is to it. Again, this is Asus K55A with the Intel Core i5.